So we're gonna go to the Huntington Beach house or the Anaheim house first?
Huntington first and then Anaheim.
Okay, it's actually interesting. So the one in Huntington, the budget's about $150, I think, and the one in Anaheim, I believe, is $190.
I'll do that one.
But, well, don't get too excited yet.
Why?
But the one in Anaheim's a bigger house.
So more work.
So more work.
And
So
maybe a bigger project.
maybe a bigger project. Ooh, look at the roof. You see that?
I see it coming down.
It's not looking so good.
So we need new windows, new shutters, and then new garage door for sure.
Yeah. So this house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,240 square feet. We paid $875, budgeted $150, resale about 1.2.
Okay.
But if we do a good job and make it
push
super
it?
badass, maybe $1.25 million. Your house, not my house,
My
not our
house.
house, your house.
Gosh. So right away when I walk in, I'd knock down this whole wall, open this up. Is that water damage?
It looks like water, smells like pee.
So is that coming from toilet?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
So remove this wall.
Remove this wall, so this would be like an open space. I'm assuming this is like a living room area. I would say bring out the kitchen to like make it aesthetically bigger, and then that would add more space if we add like counter space here. Ooh, with like a little sitting area, so you could sit at the island and eat.
Yep.
And then cabinetry underneath for storage. I think we should make this like a really like cute family house, like maybe like lighter wood, like very light and bright, beachy. Whatever house I choose today, I'm gonna be like personally hands-on with it. So like that everything is like to the 9 so that we can maximize and get the most money.
How about make it the 10s, because a 10 is perfect, and 9's
Honey,
close.
this is the same.
Right here.
Oh, this is it? Oh, wow.
Shit. All right, the driveway's good.
Cute.
Roof is hideous.
Why is it so red?
Right.
And the garage door, I wanna redo the garage door.
Yeah, new garage door. The
And
stucco's
this
in
door.
good shape.
Ooh, I like this.
Look around, what do you want to do? Hey, hon, on this house, real quick, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1968 square feet. We paid $860. The budget is $200, and we're hoping to sell it for $1,250,000.
I think we can push that budget and get more money.
All right, well, I'm excited to see.
Because it's a nice size house.
This is real nice out here.
Okay, and then we have a covered patio. Like, how cool is that?
This could be really nice.
Yeah, I obviously clean up all back here. But it's cute, right?
No, this is great. I love this fireplace.
I mean, this is such a great feature that we have here.
Huntington, smaller house, 1,240 square feet. The Huntington Beach house needs a lot more structural work, but that could be a good thing. We get to choose the floors, the roof, and really make it perfect. This house doesn't have all the structural stuff. Most likely don't have to replace the roof. We don't have foundation problems. We're not removing walls. But our budget is only $200,000, and we're already losing over $40,000 building out the new primary. $160,000 isn't a big budget for this size of house, so we'd be stuck with a lot of what's already done.
Okay, so we have Huntington and we have Anaheim Hills. I already know what I want to do. Have fun.
Okay.
I chose this house because when I walked in, my eyes lit up. Because of the size of the house, the high ceilings, the pool, just the options that I have with this house compared to what I could have done in Huntington Beach, it makes me excited. My plan for my first solo flip is to take the interior and redesign it to attract the best buyers. The kitchen has tons of square footage with enough room to add an island. I'll change the layout of the downstairs bathroom. Changes to the living room will mostly be cosmetic, including updating the railing. This house doesn't have a true primary, which is something buyers always look for. So I'm turning this spacious bonus room into the perfect ensuite primary.
I'm gonna let you run with it on this
Okay,
house.
I'm a little nervous, but excited.
Ready for problem number 1?
Okay, tell me.
Okay, so where we're gonna have our primary bathroom,
Uh-huh.
the issue is I need to run plumbing down this wall.
Oh.
Now, when you run plumbing down the wall, you've got the pipes that don't fit inside of a standard 2x4 wall.
Okay.
So what's required by code is that I have to have this as 2x6.
Oh.
So it has to come out a couple inches.
Okay.
So I have 2 options for you.
Okay,
Option A, we fur out this entire wall 2 inches all the way down.
Okay.
Option B is I create a little chase here with a return, and I land the plumbing in this stud.
I like option A.
Yeah.
I feel like this is an easy decision because we're gonna have a beautiful accent wall. I don't wanna then have a chase that would be an eyesore. I think if he would have said, oh, you're gonna lose 10 inches, that would have made maybe a difference to me, but 2 inches to make a flush wall, that didn't really bother me at all. And expense-wise?
Don't even worry about it.
All right, let's lock it in.
For sure the right thing to do.
Problem number 2.
Oh, no.
Let me show you.
So is this where the problem is?
This is problem number 2.
Oh, gosh.
So our problem is you wanted to open this up, right? But as you ladies can see, I have this FAU here.
And we weren't expecting to have that, were we?
Well, we knew it was here. We
Okay.
didn't know it came in this far.
Okay.
Because I've got to move the FAU out, reframe this. I've got to cut all the concrete, take it all back and replumb everything because all this plumbing's coming out of the concrete.
Ooh, okay.
This is going to be somewhere between 8 and 10 grand.
So that's the expensive option.
Right.
So what's the cheaper option?
So the cheaper option would be I leave the FAU here. Imagine we have a wall all the way through. This is going to be your linen cabinet.
Okay.
So when you're out in the hallway, you would open the door out there, and this is your linen cabinet right now.
So it's not connected to the bathroom. This is all closed off, but you have a separate linen closet.
Right.
Okay, so we're cutting off a few feet.
Yeah. Now the doorway that's here, this is gonna be weird because we just framed this doorway closed, right?
We moved it, didn't we?
Right.
Because I didn't like the doors opening right to the toilet.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But now, okay, the sink's gonna be here, toilet here, shower there.
Right. If you decide to go with the cheaper option, you're gonna earn his trust for life.
I know. I like that idea.
He's gonna love you.
Love it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go upstairs.
I'm excited to see it. So originally this was just a bonus room and we decided we needed a primary with its own bathroom.
Oh, what a great use
Yeah.
of space.
So we changed it into a primary bedroom with a closet and a bathroom.
I love it.
So there's 2 rooms up here. I'm loving the way it's turning out.
Yeah. Now you're starting to get the feel of like
Yeah.
the new layout, right?
I love it. And I want to do something really cool with the fireplace. It's like floor to ceiling. I want to get rid of whatever's going on there and make it a feature.
Yeah. Now, let's talk about the roof. Just, you can see it really easily right here.
The color. When you drive up, I just feel like it's such an eyesore. You still need to get the pricing on that, so we don't know exactly what
I've
it's
got
gonna be.
something for you.
You do?
I've got something for you.
So my husband said I could spend, I don't even want to tell Jeff, I'll tell you privately. He told me what I can spend, but here, I'll tell you, Rejoice.
He said 10. I can read lips. I can read
Wasn't I hiding?
lips. Let's move on outside and check it out.
Yeah, we should, huh? So can we just paint that, or is that gonna be a big problem?
No, that could be painted.
And how much? Because you have to clean it, you said, and check all
Yeah, it'll all have to get power washed off. So originally I was gonna be in at about $7,500 to paint all this. If you need to keep them happy and be in at the 7 grand, I'll come in at the 7 grand.
Yeah?
I'm assuming that's the number you were saying.
It was the number.
So
And I'm saving in there. We're not doing 9 to 10,000 in the bathroom, so.
you saved more than he spent.
Hello.
Hey! Oh my goodness, look at you glowing.
How are you?
I'm good, doll. How are you?
Really good. Yeah, I'm gonna have a baby in what, 3 months.
Time is going by so fast.
Girl.
Well, let's get this done before this baby comes.
Yeah, oh gosh.
So let's start on the floor because that
Sure.
goes throughout, right? So I found this material that's $2 a square foot, fits into
Wow.
budget, and it's got some warmth to it. It's
I
got
love
some
it.
gray tones to it, but then you can see some of the warm golden tones, because as you know, gray's been smoking hot for
Yeah.
a while, right? But people are really wanting to see more warm tones.
I've been noticing in a lot of my high-end homes that I walk through, like even like $25 million homes, they're doing more woods and blacks right now.
Yes.
Great job, okay.
Okay, so I want you to get a visual of what's happening too with the downstairs bathroom. So I love this. So excited to find this within budget.
Pretty.
Which, by the way, I was able to find something that looked almost identical to my $600 faucet for like $200.
Great, I love this.
And that will flank this.
Oh, lighting.
Right? Lighting. And I'm
Okay.
seeing the shower door being black as well.
Gorgeous.
So we have the white cabinet, the gray with the white grouting,
Yeah.
and then we have the shaker. the white
Gorgeous.
shaker.
So downstairs bathroom is locked in.
Locked in budget.
So you're saving us money.
I am.
Saving us money, but with good design.
That's everything,
Yeah,
right?
all right. So the only other thing that we really need to make sure we touch base on is the roof.
Yes.
I'm super disappointed because the roof was like a major thing that I wanted to do.
Yeah.
And now that like we had unforeseen expenses come in that are more
Yeah.
important, we're keeping the roof this color.
Got it.
Oh, let's see.
So
Oh, guess who's calling? Jeff.
Oh,
Perfect
good
timing.
timing.
Hi, Jeff.
Hey, what's going on, Heather?
I am here at the Anaheim Hills house with Rejoy, and we're
Hey,
going
Jeff.
over design.
So obviously, if you guys are there, you guys are seeing things are moving a little bit faster than what we had anticipated.
So timing-wise, you feel good about it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, it's about 3 weeks advance.
Really?
Wow.
We're gonna be done early, I can guarantee it.
Okay, then let me call Tarek and give him the good news.
Alrighty.
Thanks so
Awesome,
much.
that's great news.
See you guys.
All right, ready to go see this thing? Oh my gosh, the house looks really cute. Honestly, I'm gonna say it, I'm glad we didn't paint the roof. I think it looks great.
Really? And obviously they cleaned it up. So we chose the paint colors based on keeping it red.
And I didn't even realize it's red with a little bit of gray in it. You see how it's
little bit of
two-tone? That looks good.
Yeah, I made the right decision.
You did.
Come on!
Okay, I'll go.
Close.
They're closed.
Close.
They're
No
closed.
peeking. Open.
Damn, look at this.
Oh my gosh. Honey,
It is so impressive right when you walk through the door. Is that a concrete fireplace?
concrete-esque fireplace. So it's the look of concrete, but much more cost-effective.
I absolutely love it. Okay, so the
Okay.
concrete fireplace, this is killer.
So do you remember that door that was right here?
Yeah.
Close this off, added the accent wall.
Was it expensive or not too expensive?
Not too bad.
I'm telling you, before you walk into this house, it just screamed 80s. And now it feels new, it feels modern.
Like happy, right?
Happy.
Like happy vibes.
Honestly, buyers are gonna walk through this door, they're gonna see this view, and they're gonna flip. It's gorgeous.
So pretty.
All right, I wanna see the kitchen.
No,
I wanna see-
I'm guiding you.
Okay, you're giving me the tour.
I give you the tour.
So this is actually what I was most nervous about because our kitchen was tiny.
Okay, so close your eyes.
Gosh, again?
Honey!
Okay, go.
Stop,
Buggy,
I'm
close your eyes, babies.
excited. Ready? She's looking at us like we're crazy. Wow.
Oh, dang, so you got all these cabinets. The kitchen's more than twice the size because the kitchen used to end right here.
And remember, so we closed off this door, right?
Yeah.
We added this whole feature right here, and then we added this island.
Yeah, this was a great idea
Yeah.
right here. This whole pantry wall.
Look how much extra space it adds,
Yeah,
right?
it's good. Buyers are gonna love it.
It's my favorite.
I love how you did the gray cabinets over here
And the white over
and the white
here.
cabinets over here. But I even like these counters. And I like how you chose a simple backsplash. It's not like a super modern subway, it's more of a muted subway.
And I was gonna say, do you like that it's not like
Yep.
shiny look? It makes it more high end. And I wanna show you the backyard real quick. Because there wasn't much that we did, but I wanna show you just how clean it looks now.
This is great though, honestly. Like it's winter right now. I would like get the fireplace going, some music back here.
And see, we didn't redo the tile.
I know.
You didn't need to.
Save money, girl. You got the best coach on the planet. Look at me, I'm trying to steal your thunder.
I know, you.
Oh, no, come on. You did a great job. Oh, I said, don't get your lipstick on me.
Woo!
It looks good.
Yes. Oh, it's good.
This used to be the primary.
Yeah, so we had that sink in here, remember?
Yeah.
And then the walk-in closet is still here. So still a good size, though. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I mean, it's gorgeous.
You ready? Look.
I'm ready.
Upstairs. Woo! Look!
Oh, it's up here too.
Oh!
Oh, this looks great.
Oh! I'm so happy.
No, it works great. I love this. Like you have space up here, you get a view to the living room.
Oh.
High ceiling, super high design. I love cement-looking fireplace. It's such a great house.
Okay, you ready? Brand new primary. Fully added new space.
This is the same room.
It's so pretty. So do you remember this room? It was just like that dark wood den. It had those built-in bookshelves.
So you put the bathroom on that side?
Yes.
Wow, look how gorgeous. Oh, I gotta see this bathroom.
I'm so excited. Oh, the flooring.
Get those
came
lights
out.
on for me, girl. Impress me.
They're auto.
Wow, fancy. That is a Tarek buys houses first, automatic lights. Wait a minute, is that flooring in budget? I know that flooring, that is not cheap.
Well, we elevated this house when we needed to. We saved when we needed to.
I know, oh my God, look at all the hardware for the shower.
Isn't it pretty?
The faucets. You just took on a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, almost 2,000 square foot house in a high-end neighborhood in Orange County completely by yourself. And you absolutely knocked this out of the park. Like you beat the deadline, you crushed the design. This house has the cool factor, the custom tile, the lighting, the hardware, the accent walls.
I already have a buyer. You know Ashley who does my hair? Her mom. She's seen videos, I sent her some stuff already, and she's obsessed with the house. She wants to write an offer. She's so excited about it. It's exactly what she wants. She's been looking for a long time. I told her between 1.25 and 1.3. Obviously, being a real estate agent, I understand the importance of putting it on the MLS, multiples, but I like doing an off-market deal too. So we don't have to deal with photos, putting it on the market, waiting, holding costs. We can move on to something else. We don't have to deal with showing.
All right, so I'm gonna say this.
What?
Let's get her in tomorrow. If she likes the house, let's see what offers she's willing to write.
Okay.
And if she's at like 1.3 or above, I'm gonna pay you the full commission.
Full commission?
Okay, maybe half the commission. All right, deal. So let's have Adam show the house tomorrow. Come on, Buggy, time to go, baby.
Come on, Lovey.
So what did I say the break even was? $1,150,000? So if we sell at $1,300,000, it's a $150,000 profit in a recession during a down market.
That would be one of our highest lately, correct?
Oh yeah, for sure. So cross your fingers.
I said I'd get us 1.3, baby.
All right, well go get it.
I'll go get it.
I knew when I saw the Anaheim house that it was going to be a success story. There were definitely a lot of ups and downs during my first solo flip, but in the end, I sold the house to my buyer for $1,285,000 and got us a profit of $135,000.